Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and I have a question for you. Are you making these 3 terrible marketing mistakes in your business? I know in the beginning I did when I first got started, and I'll tell you, when I learned why I did them, I was doing the facepalm that you see on your screen. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 biggest mistakes I made and what I did to correct them, so that it can help you avoid making these same mistakes in the future. The first mistake is targeting everybody. You see, when you market to everybody, you market to nobody. And this is my biggest pet peeve with the network marketing industry, is that when people get their distributor kit, their sponsor tells them to make out that famous list of 100 of friends, family, and people they know. And most people on that list are not even going to be good prospects for your product, service, or business. Now, I have 2 friends of mine, Todd and Leah Getz, whose sponsor told them when they went through their warm market and nobody was interested, told them to go back and market to them again. And they found that that was just absolutely ridiculous. So what you need to understand is that if you want to get fresh leads for your business, you need to know who is your audience. Where do they hang out online? Is it Facebook, Twitter, Instagram? How old are they? And what are their big, audacious, hairy problems that need to be solved? So think of it this way. If you have a weight loss product, you're not going to talk to the person who is in top physical shape. You're going to find that your perfect prospect will be the mother who just had her first child and is trying to lose that baby weight. Okay? That's what you want to do. Don't sell a steak to a vegan. So when you're doing this, how to avoid with making the mistake of not knowing who your target is. This is the 3-step pattern you need to follow with your business. You need to build an audience. That's step 1. Step 2, you need to engage your audience. And then step 3 is sell to your audience. Most people, and I was so guilty of this, I went right to the selling and not to the build and engage. And that's why 97% of home business owners remain broke and don't make a profit, is that they don't know how to build and engage their audience. Because when you know how to build and engage, selling becomes effortless. Now, if you want to learn how to build and engage and sell your audience the right way, here is a training for you. I want you to go to drlisamthompson.com/attraction marketing bundle. And in this training, you're going to get a PDF training guide and an 82-minute audio that's going to break down exactly what you need to do to build and engage your audience so that you can sell to them with ease. That's mistake number 1. Mistake number 2 is not using videos. I was scared to death of using videos. I thought it would cost too much. I'm not that tech savvy when it comes to setting up video production, and I'm camera shy. I hate being on camera. I was scared to death. I just felt that people wouldn't like to hear me and see me on screen. But what I found is that if you're not doing video, you are really leaving a lot of money on the table. The future of social media marketing is video. It is the most shared and engaged pieces of content. As a matter of fact, Facebook's owner, Mark Zuckerberg, expects that Facebook is going to be primary video content in 2021. That is just around the corner. And based on traffic, YouTube is the number 2 website online. And what video does is it builds rapport and the know, like, and trust factor fast. You see, people do business with those who they know, like, and trust, not websites, companies, or compensation plans. To show you even more power of video, nearly 500 million people watch Facebook videos every day. 1/3 of the time people spend online is devoted to watching videos. By 2021, 13% of all internet traffic will consist of live video. Marketers who use video will grow revenue. They will make money 49% faster than non-video users. Social video, meaning social media video, that's Facebook Lives, YouTube Lives, Instagram, Twitter videos, generate 12,000% more shares than text and images combined. And finally, 85% of Facebook videos are watched without sound. This shows you how powerful video is, and people are just hungry for video. Now, as I said, there are 3 main ways you can do video, and what I love about these 3, whether you're doing it on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram, you don't need any expensive equipment, just your smartphone or your iPad or tablet device. Most of them come equipped with an HD camera and a good mic. And with these 3 social media platforms, you just need to upload it to your profile and it's right there. The great thing about video too is that you can create a high quality piece of content in about 5 to 10 minutes or even less than that. And you can be out there building and engaging your audience rather than taking the time and, and writing a blog in 35 to 40 minutes. So this is the ultimate time saver for part-time marketers. Now, if you don't know how to do YouTube marketing and you want to learn how to do it the right way, I have a free training for you, which is a 99-minute video tutorial along with some video creation ideas. To get that training, go to drlisamthompson.com/video secret. Now, if you want to do Facebook Live and do it the right way to get a ton of engagement, and Facebook Live is one of the hottest forms of live stream video out there, I have a training for you where it's a 2-hour training along with a PDF document that's going to walk you through step by step what you need to do to get more engagement and leads in your business. Just go to drlisamthompson.com/Facebook Live training. Now, we've covered about mistake number 1, not having a defined audience and not doing video, which is mistake number 2. Mistake number 3, buying social media followers. Do not do this. The big misperception that many people have is that a larger following is better than no following. And that is not the case. Social media, okay, it doesn't matter what network you're on, whether you're on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, they're looking for positive user experience. And how do they measure that experience? By looking at how people are responding to your content. And Facebook has just stated that people have too strong expectations about the content they see in their newsfeed. They want to be informed and they want to be entertained. Now, when you buy social media followers, you're thinking you're getting high quality followers when you're not. They often come from foreign countries. They're often ghost or spam accounts. And when you have that many, you have a huge following, but none of them are engaging with your content, your count is going to look rather fake and spammy. And when people come to your site and see a huge following but no engagement, they're going to turn away. They're literally going to turn away. You see, it's not the size of your followers, it's how responsive they are. And when you use the build, engage, sell formula, you're going to see results where you don't need to buy Facebook followers, Twitter followers, or Instagram followers. Did you find this video helpful today? I want you to leave a comment and share. And I have another training for you, which is the Top Earner Framework. This is the framework that the 3%, the top 3% of all top producers in the home business industry use to get more leads, reps, and customers coming to them leveraging the internet. And if you do this correctly, implementing the top earner framework, it can help you get more leads, prospects, sales, and signups in your business in the next 24 hours. To learn the top earner framework, just go to drlisamthompson.com/framework. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.